Most guys will miss the moment a girl is trying to tell you she likes you without even saying a word. So in this video, I'm going to break down every single sign that she likes you, decoded with real psychology, science, and behavioral cues, so you never miss it again. Sign number 1, she doesn't play with her hair. Girls will only do this if they like you. Everyone thinks that when a girl plays with their hair that she likes you. Nah, bro, this is wrong. She's just fidgety and is not even rooted in science. What you actually want to look for is how much area can you see between her jawline, collarbone. More importantly, can you see her suprasternal notch? She only does this, which is an unconscious way of revealing a vulnerable area on her body. Evolutionary psychology links this trust and attraction. She exposes the suprasternal notch, which is that small indent in her neck. She finds you extremely attractive and she's being vulnerable. Even stronger than this, she flips her hair back to expose her neck while maintaining eye contact with you. That is a +2 point signal on the attraction scale. Now here's the thing, just spotting one of these signs, it's not enough. But the more of these signs that she shows, the clearer it gets. Of each tip, I'm gonna give you a score like I just did, +2. I want you to keep track of this score because at the end of it, I'm gonna give you a full scale to show you just how attractive she is to you. Sign number 2, she blinks 4 times. If she blinks once every 10 seconds, she finds you attractive. This isn't bro science. You're looking for something they call the blink freeze. The average person will blink every 3 to 4 seconds. What you're looking for is for her to blink once every 6 to 10 seconds. This blink freeze happens because her brain doesn't want to miss you. In a 2023 study, they found that the largest blink grip inhibition was observed during the presentation of erotic clips. Essentially, the participants didn't want to miss it. If her blinks slowed down, her mind is locked in on you. She just doesn't want to stop seeing you. And that's a +1 on the attraction scale. Here's the crazy, the effect of this gets stronger the more attractive you are. This is why it's important to looks max. First, you need to start with the hairstyle that actually suits your face. You've been using the same cut for years, and I know you've seen the videos telling you, look at this face shape and this face shape. That's maybe too hard. I've even done those for you. It's too difficult. If you want to see exactly what hairstyle will look good on you, I want you to download an app called the Face app. I want you to take a selfie of yourself and test out a few of the different hairstyles. It is the most accurate I've ever used to actually see what hairstyle looks good on me. It's also one of the best photo editing tools on the market. It has over 1.7 million reviews in the App Store. Just look at how different I look in these 4 different hairstyles. I want you to do the same, pick the best cut, and then take it to your barber to bring to life. You're immediately gonna go from a 3 to a 7. She won't be able to stop looking at you, bro. Sign number 3, if she laughs before your joke, she likes you.
I've always said if you can make a woman laugh, you can kiss her.
Wow. Everyone thinks this. If you can make a girl laugh, she likes you. But that's not an accurate sign. What you're looking for is pre-laughter. A 2013 study tested this by having 40 students film a short Be Funny clip under 3 conditions: a full video, audio only, and photo only. Then other students would watch the clips and rate them based on how funny or attractive they were. And lo and behold, attractive men were found to be funnier in video clips. But there was one more important finding. They noted that funniness ratings was correlated with flirtatiousness, hinting that humor can be read as a mating signal. When she starts giggling before you even finish your punchline, that is pre-laughter, and it's a mating signal she's doing, telling you that she likes you.
It's a crush on a boy named Isaiah.
That is a +3 point signal. Bro, you have to understand that the exact same joke will just land funnier when you're more attractive. This is the halo effect. Our brains just assume good-looking people are fun. You have no idea how attractive you could be if you just change 2 things. You want to make your skin more tan, and you want to remove acne. A few months ago, my skin was full of acne because I fight a lot. This is a picture of me at that time. Notice, look at what happens with the Face app when I remove all skin imperfections and I lightly make my skin tan because I'm already a tan guy. I look significantly better. And you can achieve both of these naturally with a good skincare routine and eating more beta-carotene through carrots to get that natural glow. I love Face app. It's great not only to edit your photos for social media and dating apps, because as you see, the better looking you are, the more success you'll have. But my favorite aspect of the tool is to see just how attractive you could be if you reach your full potential. I want you to click the link in my description or scan the QR code you're seeing on screen to download the Face app, and I want you to try the Pro version. That's where you really get all the tools and all these editing features, and it's available both in the App Store and Google Play. Sign number 4, the wrist check. The more you see her wrists, the more she trusts you. Behavioral psychologists call this palming. In a behavioral study that was going over all the flirtation styles, palming was one of the 25 behaviors that a woman does when she likes you. Wrists are vulnerable spots, so when a woman shows these to you, it's usually a subconscious attraction and comfort. Here's a challenge. I want you to count how many of these 6 signs you've seen whenever you're around your crush. She brushes her hair behind her ear, flashing her wrist at you. 2, she either plays with jewelry or rolls up her sleeve mid-conversation. 3, she casually tilts her drink towards you, palm facing outward. 4, while telling a story, her hands flip open and her wrists show natural. 5, she'll rest her hand near her neck or her collarbone, exposing her wrists. 6, she inverts her palm on her hips to accentuate her hips, but also wrists. According to the study, average amount of palming behaviors per minute was 0.12, meaning that just one of these every 8 to 10 minutes is a strong sign of attraction, and it's a +1 in the attraction scale. Sign number 5, if she's on her phone, she likes you. If you're a guy and you want to know if she likes you, then check her phone. There is a strong sign you both like each other, because a lot of guys will think, oh man, she's on her phone when I'm around, she doesn't like me. That's wrong. For a lot of girls, the phone is actually a security tool. If she's not touching it, that often means that she's super comfortable around. You don't make her nervous. You don't even make her nervous. Bro, she's probably stalking you for all you know, and you would never know. Actually, there's one way to know. If you're seeing this video on TikTok or Instagram, you can hit that little share button and share to Instagram, whoever the top 10 they recommend to you. Those are your followers that are mostly looking at your page. You spot her looking at or grabbing her phone a few times around you, that's a +2 in the attraction scale. Look, we're more than halfway through this video, and if your attraction score on the scale is not above a 3 already, I'd be cooked. Don't worry, you still got 4 more signs your crush will do if she likes you, and they're also the most powerful ones, so they might save you. Sign number 6, she stretches her words. If a girl ever says these 6 words, she likes you. Studies on flirting have found that women's voices in pitch changes when they like someone.
This is my impression of a girl who has a crush on a boy named Matthew. Matthew!
It happens every time, you just never see it. Their pitch will go up, their tone will soften, and in the same study of interest, it scored a reliability of 0.82 as an indicator of interest, one of the highest out of the 25 flirting signals a woman will do. So here's a natural test you could do. I want you to listen to how she says these 6 words whenever she's around you. Hot, yeah, really, stop, no, or bye. Around friends or when they're comfortable, they'll just be flat and quick. But if she likes you, those same words will shift to be more singing-songy, like hi. Stop now becomes a playful tone. No will stretch out into a teasing version of it. If you ever hear that voice change across any of these 6 words, that's a +2 in the attraction scale. Tip number 7. Shy girls will use their friends to signal. The signs that a shy girl likes you are completely the opposite of what a regular girl does. Outgoing girls, they'll flirt directly. Shy girls, they will use their friends as the signal. Here's what you want to watch. If you walk past her friend group and they suddenly go quiet, or you see out the corner of your eye they're starting to look at each other, that's not random. It usually means that they all know that she likes you and they're reacting for her. Another giveaway is that shy girls will often stare and often snap their look away as soon as you catch them. Telling you, if her friend group becomes part of her reaction every time you're near, it's a +2 in the attraction scale. Sign number 8, she snaps you this way. If you ever get a snap from a girl and you wonder what the hell does this mean, here's how you're gonna crack it. If she sends you a black screen and it's daytime, she's probably just upset at you or wants you to notice her. It's a test to see if you'll chase. Second, if she sends you a mirror selfie or a fit check, she's feeling herself and she wants your approval. And third, if she starts a chat and then stops. If she's typing and then clearing her messages, or maybe she suddenly leaves you hanging, that's just bait. She wants attention without being the one that initiates it first. Which takes us to sign number 9, the self-sabotage test. You want to know if she really likes you? I want you to say these 4 exact lines to see just how much she likes you. Because instead of being like most guys, trying to guess if she likes him or not, it's never gonna work. Telling her, you know what? I think I'm gonna get a buzz cut. I'm gonna shave my head is the perfect line. If she doesn't care, well, she'll shrug it off. But if she likes you, she's gonna try to stop you immediately. So instead of ever wondering, just drop one of these 4 self-sabotage lines. If she tries to stop you from changing, that is a 3 in the attraction scale, and she definitely likes you. Now, if you did all 9 signs and you thought about your crush, I want you to add up your scores. If you're between a 0 and a 2, sorry bro, there's no attraction signals, move on. If you're between a 3 and a 6, she's curious, maybe testing waters, she's not obsessed yet, she probably likes a few other guys as well. If you're between 7 and 9 points, she's definitely into you. This is not an accident. If she's between 10 and 13 points, that is strong attraction. She likes you and she's hiding it from you. If you're at over 14 points, bro, she is in love with you. Don't overanalyze it. You need to make a move. Like I said, don't look for one signal. Run all these signs to really know every sign that a girl might like you.